Hello everyone, welcome back to YouTube channel MJ Manjari. Today I have brought very important update related to CBSE board exam admit card. Make sure you watch this video till end because in this video I will explain when the CBSE admit card will be released, where you will get your admit card from, how to check all important detail on admit card and why the admit card is extremely important during board exam. So let's understand everything one by one clearly and calmly. What does CBSE admit card look like and what information is important? First of all students often ask, Sir, how does the admit card look and what detail are written on it? Let me explain you using a sample admit card from previous year. As you can see on the screen, this is the previous year admit card. So it's a sample one. Now your admit card will look very similar to this and it contains lots of important information like your roll number which is present here, then date of birth you already know, then your school number, your center number, then here your class for which you are appearing, then your name, your mother's name, father's name, examination center number, then your subject with subject code, all the subject for which you are appearing is given here. At the bottom of the admit card here, important instructions are given like your reporting time at the exam center, which color pen you are allowed to carry, other exam date, rule and guidance. Along with this, date and time of each exam is clearly mentioned. So remember, all crucial exam related detail are written only on the admit card. That's why it's very important to keep it safe and get it laminated once you receive it. Now let us see important instruction which is mentioned on your admit card. So first instruction, you should confirm the correctness of all the detail and subject in admit card. Check all your detail like your name, mother's name, father's name, subject, everything is mentioned in your admit card is correct or not. If you find any errors, contact your school immediately. Then second, examination will start in India at 10:30 am. Entry is not permitted after 10 am. Means you should enter the examination hall before 10 am and your writing will start at 10:30. So you must report to exam center latest by 10 am. The time of commencement of exam will start at 10:30. To confirm the time and date of exam, please check the date sheet or it's already given in the admit card. No candidate shall be allowed afterward and no candidate will be allowed to leave examination hall before exam is over. So if your exam is of 3 hours and exam started at 10:30, then you need to remain inside the examination hall till your examination is over, which is till 1:30 pm. You are not allowed to leave the examination hall. Next, if your PW candidate is yes, the CS will ensure the availability of desired exemption to the candidate and you can ask also. Kindly follow the instruction given by invigilator. Invigilator is a teacher who is doing duty in your examination hall, especially writing roll number in your answer book. You should correctly mention question paper, set and attendance sheet. Mobile number and other communication device are not allowed inside the examination hall. You should not indulge in any unfair practice. Do not believe in fake video or message uploaded on social media. You should carry only blue or royal blue gel fountain pen, pencil, eraser, scale, sharpener, geometry instrument, colors, brushes, admit card and ID card of school in a transparent pouch. If a regular school candidate, you should wear school uniform to appear in examination. If you are private candidate, you can wear light cloth only. Both regular and permanent private candidate will appear in the subject mentioned above. So you should check your subject correctly. In case of any error found in question paper, the same will be addressed by CBSE as per its policy. The English version of question paper shall prevail over other version. Means if they find any errors, then first they are going to check whether English question paper is correct or not, means question paper which is in English language. And before examination you need to read all these things, and here you need to make your signature, your father's signature, and school principal will be signing. And here one sentence is there, all particular including subject and photo checked and found correct. After that only all the 3 person will be signing here. Next one, when will the CBSE admit card be released? Now the most common and important question, so when will we get the admit card? According to recent news and article update, the CBSE admit card is expected to release either in the last week of January or in the first week of Feb. So yes, the time is very close. You will be getting your admit card very soon. Next is, from where will student get the admit card? This is very important to understand. Student will not download the admit card themselves. The admit card will be released by CBSE, downloaded by your school, and then distributed to you by your school. So you must stay in regular contact with your school. Whenever CBSE releases the admit card, a notification will appear on official CBSE website, which is cbse.gov.in. Once the notification is released, you should immediately visit your school, request for admit card, collect it without any delay. Why is the admit card extremely important during exam? Now listen very carefully. When you go to write your board exam, the first page of answer sheet is OMR sheet. On that OMR sheet, you have to fill detail like roll number, subject code, center number. Now tell me one thing, where you will get all this detail? Exactly, from your admit card. You cannot remember all this detail by heart. Without the admit card, you cannot correctly fill the OMR sheet. And without filling OMR sheet properly, you may not be allowed to write exam correctly. That's why CBSE provide the admit card to every student through the school. Now final advice. So now everything should be clear when the admit card will come, where it will come from, what details are written on it, and why it is required in the examination hall. Now the only thing that matters is how well you prepare for board exam. Remember, especially in science, you will get only 3-day gap for preparation. In that short time, you need to revise the entire syllabus, practice questions, and solve sample paper. So smart revision is the key. Stay connected with your school, and moment the CBSE admit card is released, collect it immediately. As soon as CBSE release any official notification, I will update you right here on this channel. Thank you so much for watching. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.